Yo, what's good people, it's J Cactus, and in today's video, I'm going to be making an Ethiopian inspired drill beat. So I've been getting a few requests for this and I comment almost every day, so I thought, you know what, it could be a sick idea because the style of music that I'm going to be sampling is from a series of albums called Ethiopiques, which is basically a collection of singers and musicians from Ethiopia. It sounds like it's heavily jazz influenced and it's something I'd never even heard of before, so yeah, I'm excited to flip one. But before we get into it, I just wanted to say a massive thank you to everyone because look what just arrived in the post. I got my 100k plaque and yeah, it's a crazy feeling. It's my first ever plaque in my music career. Hopefully it's my first of many, so yeah, I appreciate everyone for supporting the channel. If you're not subscribed, then definitely consider it if you want to up your production game with new videos every Tuesday and Thursday at 6 PM. But yeah, let's get straight into the video. Alright, so like I said, I wanted to take a sample from one of the Ethiopiques albums. This is the one that I took, so I'll just play you a few clips. See what I'm saying? It's quite jazzy. I can't play the full thing because of copyright claims, but we'll just get straight into chopping it. So I want to start it from here. I just want it to drop like straight away. First, let's work out the BPM. So a little cheat code is to go up here, go to detect tempo. I'm going to select 75 to 150. So it's picking it up as 92 BPM. It's always a bit tricky to flip these ones into drill because 90 BPM is a bit too slow. So I'll just see how it sounds. I'm just going to take like an 8-bar loop. I'll take a little bit more just in case the tempo's not bang on. I'll bring this back, set it to stretch mode, and let's bring it up to 140 and see how it sounds. So it's sounding way too fast, but halftime might do it. So what I'm thinking is to pitch it up first, and then add halftime. So we'll try this. So I'm feeling that. I'm getting more dark vibes now. Could pitch it up a little bit more. Yeah, this is sounding hard now. The sax is mad. I'm just adding X noise to get rid of some of the hiss from the sample. Then I'm gonna take an EQ, remove some of the bass, and then any nasty frequencies too. Somewhere around there. Then I'm gonna add an imager. All about there, and then some reverb. The sax sounds crazy with the reverb now, and I feel like it needs another instrument, something with some high end. So I started researching some Ethiopian instruments. I was looking through some of these. I think this one's called a Masenko. I couldn't find a VST for it anywhere. I could use a different kind of bowed instrument, but yeah, I just couldn't find VSTs for any of these. Especially this, I think it's pronounced washin. It's like a bamboo flute. I was having a listen to one on YouTube and it sounded crazy, but again, I couldn't find any VSTs. But I did find one bamboo flute VST, which is actually a free one, so this one could work. So this one's called Mini DZ. It's actually a Chinese instrument, but I think because it's a bamboo flute, it might sound kind of similar. It doesn't actually sound too bad considering it's a free VST. This could work. It definitely needs some processing though. Actually, you know what? I found a bamboo flute in Ethno World. I think this is going to be better. Just wanted to change a couple of those notes. Alright, and I wanted to add some vocals, but I couldn't find any banks, any kind of Ethiopian vocals on Splice or anything. So I ended up finding a video of an Ethiopian kid singing and his vocals were crazy. So I took it, I've chopped a few sections out, pitched it down 3, and then I did quite a bit of processing. So I had auto-tune to stay in the key, X noise to cut out some noise, an EQ just to filter it and cut out a harsh frequency, a compressor just to tame everything, some delay, an imager to widen it, and then finally some reverb. And now this is what it sounds like. It's a bit more subtle. I think it'll make sense once I start arranging it all. Alright, I want to get some rhythm started, and once again, I couldn't really find any Ethiopian drums. The closest I could find is the West Africa Bank in Contact. There wasn't an East African one, so yeah, this is gonna have to do. So we'll start by finding something for the snare. Maybe that. I'm just gonna layer some of those snares. Maybe just every other one. Alright, we're starting to get a bounce now. Then I'm going to slice this one. Alright, so I just wanted to create some mad bounce with the percussion, and this is what I got. You just need something as the counter snare. So I'm thinking to add some kind of shaker. I like the way this sounds, but I don't know if that will work for everyone. I'm going to take it as a one shot instead, and then just boost that up. Find a different shaker. I think something like that might work for the main one. So again, I'm going to take that as a one shot and maybe just tighten this one up. And just to speed things up, I'm going to use one on my MIDI kits. I like this one actually, the Bones one. Yeah, I think I'll run with this. Alright, I've changed my mind like I always do, and I've chosen this one instead. I've just messed with the start, the out, and then I've boosted it up, just so it's a bit tighter. And then same again, I just copied these notes, pitched them up a bit, and then removed some of them. I think this one's sounding better. Alright, for the 8-way, I'm thinking to take it back to the fat and wide one. Haven't used it in a few videos, and I feel like it's a legendary 8-way, so it's going in. So I'm just going to make those slide notes instead. Definitely needed the snare. So just adding a bit more bounce with the kicks there. And I think most things are there. I just want a couple creative effects and perks, and then I can start arranging it. So yeah, maybe I could find something else in Ethno World. Maybe this will fit. I'm not really making it Ethiopian vibes now, but this might fit the beat. add this stomp as well. Alright, so I think I'm going to leave it there. I've definitely got enough to work with. I just need to finish mixing it properly. I'll arrange it all and then I'll show you the final outcome. Alright, so I finished mixing and arranging the beat, and I actually ended up changing a few things. I was trying to find a different part of the sample to flip, but all the other parts had a lot of drums and percussion in them already, so it didn't really sound right with my drums. But I did find a few little bits to break it up, and then when it gets to this section of the verse, I added Ethiopiques to reverse everything, so you'll see what I mean. I just thought that was a sick way to start the beat. When the shakers come in. So this bit I'm keeping this as the hook, but I've saved the flute for the second half. New A-wave pattern. That little transition there sounds crazy. So I'm just breaking it up a little bit here. And then this is the reverse section. So that's why I added the vocals. Same thing again, but the percussion's in now. And then for the bridge, come straight back in like the intro. So this just really breaks things down. And then back to the hook, but straight away with the flute. I might keep that out. Yeah, I'll leave that out. And then yeah, the rest of it's just the same. So I hope you liked the video and I hope you were feeling the beat. And as always, if you have suggestions for other countries, then let me know in the comments and I'll work on the one with the most likes. Next time I'm thinking about doing one for Scotland and flipping some bagpipes or something, so definitely stay tuned for that. And just a quick update on the course, I plan on dropping it within the next 2 weeks. I finally got all of the content ready. I just need to finalize a few things for the website, and then yeah, I'm going to be announcing a release date within the next couple days. So yeah, we're getting real close. It's going to be sick. I've got 70 videos in there now. I'm teaching you everything I know about music theory, mixing, dark UK drill, melodic drill, orchestral New York drill, basically just everything that I know about music production. So keep a lookout for the big announcement, and once again I appreciate you all for watching and I'll see you next time.